níbi àjọyọ̀ èèyàn pàtàkì ọkọ gbòógì obìnrin pàtàkì obìnrin tí wọ́n ní ìfọ̀n obìnrin tí wọ́n ti ṣe ribiribi orúkọ wọn jẹ́ Ọládùnní Kẹ́mi Fájánà.
Celebrant is our big sister Zona, and is a very nice woman, a dedicated and hardworking woman. So for celebrating the 50th birthday today, so that's why you can see the people falling all the way from Abuja, Lagos, even outside of Nigeria. So it's a very good woman.
Ọmọlúwàbí ni láti kékeré. Òní wọ́n sọ pé kí o kọ́ ọmọ ẹ kó lè fún ẹ nísìnyí tó bá dàgbà. Láti kékeré ló ti jẹ́ ọmọlúwàbí, ló ti jẹ́ ọmọ tó gbé apá láti ṣe òwò. Àti kékeré ẹ̀ ni ò ti ṣọ̀lẹ. Ní ọjọ́ tẹ̀lé Olúwa wá ṣàmì sí ìrìn àjò.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá súnmọ́ Kẹ́mi tí ò bá gbádùn Kẹ́mi, ọwọ́ ìbínú Ọlọ́run wà nínú ayé onítọ̀ọ̀nì. Ọmọ ni Kẹ́mi. Gbogbo tí gbogbo wa dà lẹ́ni ipasẹ̀ Kẹ́mi la fi dá.
So many things I love about her. Looking at her from distance, one, she's beautiful, she's hardworking, and she's a lover of family. I think that's one of the reasons I love her from afar. She's a lover of family. She carries her family along and in everything she does. I love her for that.
Father, we give you thanks. We bless your holy name because you are Lord. Thank you for the privilege of celebrating 50 solid years. Thank you for the grace that has accomplished it. Gbogbo ìyìn ọlá àti ògo la dá padà sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run tó ní ẹ gbà ọpẹ́ wa.
We are celebrating a beautiful woman. We are celebrating an icon of excellence. We are celebrating a wonderful mother. We are celebrating an amazing wife. We are celebrating a philanthropist by excellence. We are celebrating an entrepreneur, a woman that perpetually adds value to the Nigerian economy.
Of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, she's a woman that we are so proud to be associated with. She's a woman of God, a woman that loves and serves God, a role model to so many, a mentor to so many, a big sister to so many, and a lady that we just really love and admire.
I wish her a very powerful 50th birthday. I have crossed 50, and I know how it feels like. God bless her.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you long life and prosperity and good health and sound health.
Mommy Kemi, I Betty, I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you all of God's and heaven's blessings, and I pray that you continue to grow from glory to glory. Amen. I love you, Mama.
I've known her to be a very genius person, a good mother, a good leader. She's a supporter. She's a real role model to us.
Wow.
We are here to celebrate her 50th birthday. She's a business icon. I wish her many, many more blessed and prosperous years on her.
Èmi ní bàbá ẹ̀ nọ́mbà 2 nígbà tí dáàdì ẹ ti kú òun mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá all the time my daddy same church là ń lọ tí n bá kọ̀wé orin dání àti kí àwa gbà lọ́wọ́ mi ibi tí mo ń jókòó ní church á gbé síbẹ̀ kò fi mí ṣeré ìṣẹ́jú kan mo ní ìdí kankan ní àwa fún mi so kò sì lè máa ṣerú kan báyìí ká má lè ọ̀nà ẹ̀ ọmọ dáadáa ni up to the core ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ tí kò níwà ìgbéraga ìtẹríba ó kún ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ọmọ dáadáa ni tó di kọ́ sọ yìí pé mo ṣe múra pé ó yàtọ̀ sí àwọn ọmọ mi ni
ẹ fa akọyọlé ni
tó bá dé ìsìn ẹ̀ wàá rí sábàdé wàá rọ̀ mọ́ mi ni so mi ní sọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ it's my daughter.
She is very industrious and I love that she create employment. The twins Faja in Abaranjẹ today, they create employment which I love most. A lot of people, a lot of youth are being employed. If you go to their all of their outlets, the employment is what I cherish about her.
Kò wo ohun tí Ọlọ́run ṣe nínú ayé rẹ̀ láti fi respect anybody. Tó bá rí yín, ó máa kí yín tọ̀wọ̀. Ó jẹ́ ọmọ tó ṣe wípé tí ẹ máa fi ń tọrọ ọmọ. Because ẹlòmíì tó bá wà ní irú ipò tó wà, á ti máa kó apá sókè ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ yìí anytime tó bá rí yín báyìí, ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn number 1 ni. Àdúrà tó máa ṣe fún ni pé ọba tó ní ayé àti ọ̀run kò ní padà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀.
Kẹ́mi ayé ọgọ́jà náà, àṣàbí gbéra lẹ̀ wo di ìdí ọmọ owó níyì. Ọmọ onífẹ̀ẹ́ àbúrẹ́ máa dádé owó rẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tí bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ ní ẹ̀rù jẹjẹ. Èdè lòdì ara rẹ̀ sà gbẹ́lẹ́ pọ́pọ́n mi kó ààrẹ sà sílẹ̀ mọ́kù pupa làbú nílé. Ọmọ ológun làpàrọ̀. Àṣàbí ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ alákòókò jẹ́ ìgbà tí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dún. Ògiri máa lé ètò ọlọ́run ni ògiri máa lé ètò ìṣe àní àṣà ní kájọ lókè kájọ lòlù ìṣe àní kájọ lókè kájọ lòdò àṣà wa ní. Oya ògiri máa lé ètò. Ọlọ́run kíkó pè mí kíkó pè lójú àgbo báyọ̀ wọn lábẹ́ kíkó pè mí ọmọ olókùn lápẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀yà kíkó wí kíkó wí kíkó wí ẹ̀wọ̀n níyì kíkó wí wọ́n bọ̀ kíkó wí wọ́n bọ̀ sẹ́ kíkó wí 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 ọmọ wọn níyì kíkó wí 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 àbọ̀mọ́ lóhùn rere àbọ̀mọ́ lóhùn rere ewu yẹn ti dógún ọjọ́ fún àbọ̀mọ́ lóhùn rere àbọ̀mọ́ lóhùn rere.
I love her style, I love her color, I love her enthusiasm, and she's iconic, she's a hero, and she's a business mogul.
She does not overlook people. Like anytime she call me around to her office to come pick some fabrics, you understand, she would not do as if this one is just a fashion designer, she's a tailor. No, she accommodates people, and anytime I go around like that, I don't feel like a stranger.
I think she's very industrious because each Abaronje there's branch there. Because there's branch there. Chapatio, Lekki Epe Expressway. She's like she's an entrepreneur, so she's very hardworking. Let me just put it like that.
All man sure truly I'm from a humble beginning, but ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn tọ́lọ́run bá ti sọ di ẹni ńlá tán ó máa gbàgbé ibi tí ó ti jáde. Màdámù ò ṣe èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ìrẹ̀jà ò sínú fọ́tò àti pọ́sítà tó yí lóṣù. Ìjẹ́ kọ́míyàn. Ìdè gáàsì ìfìṣàbílà tó bí ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀dọ́ láti lọ. Ẹ̀bọ̀n mẹ́wọ́ bí wọ́n rí wà. Wọ́n láti lọ. Akura. Àti lè ṣàkíyè dé. Àsìlá. Ṣì kéde ọdẹ àfi ní ṣeré. Àwọn akọrí. Wọ́n láti ti ṣeré o. Wọ́n yẹ ilé ra. Wọ́n yẹ ilé ra. Àfọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ sá. Àràbàrí ni àwọn ìyá àgbàdo. Àṣà àpàrẹ.
Ẹni tó sọjọ́ bí lónìí ọ̀rẹ́ mi gidi ni a ti jọ wà nínú ìjọ past 25 years a ti jọ wà nínú ìjọ yẹ́pà ti jọ ń bára wa bọ̀. Ó jẹ́ nìkan tó nice, ó jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé ó kó àwọn èèyàn mọ́ra, ó jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé ó máa ń ṣàánú ọmọdé, ó máa ń ṣàánú àgbàlagbà. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè lọ síwájú ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹkún tó máa kó níwájú ẹ̀ ẹ̀rín ló máa bá jáde.
Like their tenacity to business, how efficient and how zealous they are when it comes to business. Then another thing I like about them is they love life. And when you love life, everything is amazing. So
you see pastor, they've spoken about her. You see community, they've spoken about her. And you can see the way he carries everybody along. Again, she's somebody that inspired everyone. You don't even need to know her. But if you can just feel something about her, you'll be inspired. Is it the way she does her business? Is it the way that, okay, she doesn't take a no for an answer? This is somebody who will never say die. No matter how difficult something is, she will still forge ahead and she will achieve it. And for me, I take inspiration from that and I model my things around that stuff. That, okay, if you have that kind of can-do spirit, you can achieve anything.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 10, 20, 25, 35, 40, 48, 50!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you, ma! Happy birthday!
Read the usher. ẹnìkan ò kì í rídi ọmọ onígèdègèdè láṣẹ Èdùmàrè ọmọ aráyé ò ní rídi yín o.
àṣẹ rẹ̀.
ibi tẹ wá ti ń mú owó tẹ fi ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí náà ibẹ̀ ò ní gbẹ o.
àṣẹ.
wọ́n ní ọwọ́ apá ò kì í ká orí àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ ò kì í ká ọ̀nà ọwọ́ ọ̀tá ò ní ká yín o.
àṣẹ wà.
èyí tẹ wá fi ń ṣọdún lọ́jọ́ ìní náà ìgbà ọdún kan ni o.
àṣẹ.
ẹ mọ̀ lọ́rẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ bọ́rẹ̀ ni.
àṣẹ.
gbogbo nǹkan tí ó bá máa jẹ́ nǹkan ìdìnà àwọn elédùà wọ́n bá yín mú kúrò lọ́nà o.
àṣẹ o àṣẹ.
inú mi dùn gidi gan ni.
àṣẹ.
àwa tá a bá yín ṣe tọdún yìí láṣẹ Èdùmàrè.
àṣẹ.
ní ọdún tí ń bọ̀ á tún wá.
àṣẹ.
á tún wá bá yín ṣe ìtọ́jú jù báyìí lọ.
àṣẹ.
èyí tẹ́ wá fi ń múra náà látún ti mọ fèsì àwọn nǹkan míì ọlọ́run ó bá yín ṣe o ọlọ́run ó bá yín tó o.
àṣẹ.
ẹ ṣe gidi gan ni mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ kú ìtọ́jú ẹ kú àyẹ́sí náà gbogbo àwa tá a dìde lọ́jọ́ ìní tí àwa fi ijó àti ìjókòó yẹ wọn sí náà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan ni àdélébáre o àrìnàkórè o àkòyà ibi o ẹ mọ̀ lọ́rẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ bọ̀rẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ ṣeun gidi gan ni.
Birthday to the celebrant. I wish her more life, long life and prosperity in good health and wealth.
Merciful God. The merciful God. Ọba tó ṣoore fún mi ṣoore fún ẹ tó ṣoore lójoojúmọ́. Ọba kọ mátíkà lẹ́yìn. Àdúrà gbọ̀ngbọ̀n lẹ́yìn aṣòótọ́. Kò jẹ́ ronú ibi rárá. The merciful God.
Kemi Fajano has been my sister of over 20 years. We have had the privilege of doing business with them from the early years of our founding the Netcom Oaks Group. From the days when I didn't have a car, their business was there to support us. And as we began to grow, we found in the Twins Faja Group a very trusted partner. And I'm proud enough to say that I have recommended the Twins Faja Group to all my friends, families, colleagues, contemporaries, competitors, because it's rare to find a Nigerian brand that you give billions of money and they will not tell you stories when it's time to deliver your cement, to deliver your iron rod. And so today, knowing fully well that you have a woman at the helms of affairs at the Twins Faja Group, I am very proud of my very dear sister, because she's surrounded by men, but she has shown that she's a true leader, being able to shine with her husband pushing her behind. Our very dear big brother, Chief here, has given her the opportunity to shine. And like they always say, when you have a very successful woman being supported and propelled by her husband, the sky would always be her starting point. So today, as we celebrate our very dear sister, we should remember that somebody gave her the wings to fly, to be our very best, and we should continue to pray for the founder of Twins Faja himself. Thank you very much, and I pray for the continuous success of your union, for the continuous success of your family, for the continuous success of the legacy you have built in this industry.
I can proudly tell you, she served God and she loved God.
Ìgbìmọ̀ ìgbésẹ̀ àpolówó akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní ẹlẹ́dùn ní ẹ̀sán ní abẹ́ wọ́n ní ìdí gbogbo wa o. Happy gifted birthday. Àádọ́ta tó wà sádọ́ sílẹ̀ lọ́nà ìrẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀lẹ́. Àti yẹ̀ta láti dé. Àti wọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì àti ṣèdúgbẹ́. Àti lọ sórí omi. Àti ṣe bóṣùkù. Lẹ́nu àwọn abọ́sígbàgbé gbogbo wọn wá nílé àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe.